Hi guys, it's Miss Sade, and today we're going to make Betty Crocker's super moist yellow cake. The following ingredients you need are 3 eggs, a little bit of flour, and some oil. Sorry, making a mess. So the first step is you want to, first you have to remove the eggs out of the bowl. The next step is to open the cake box and open the cake mix. Now, once you get your cake mix open, you add it to the bowl. Now, you could use a bowl my size or you can use a bigger bowl. It really doesn't matter. It's all your choice. But long as your bowl can hold your cake mix, your ingredients, all of your ingredients, and you're able to stir it without it overflowing. Now, once you get all the cake mix inside of the bowl, you dispose of the wrapper of the cake mix. But I forgot one thing, sorry. I forgot water. Now, I chose to use bottled water. You can use bottled water, you can use sink water. It really doesn't matter. It's all your choice. I chose bottled water, though. You add the water. Then you add your oil. Make sure that you have enough oil and water that the cake is not too hard to stir and mix around. Then you add your eggs. Make sure you're on a hard surface, not like me. My surface was kind of soft, too soft to crack my eggs. But yes, make sure you add all 3 eggs. Then you start to stir. Now, once you stir it, it should look just like that. It should look not too hard, not too watery, just right for your cake. Then you take some more of the oil. You put it on the bottom of your pan. Or you can use butter. I just chose to use oil because oil is just there. You already put the oil inside of the cake. So you put oil at the bottom of your pan so that the cake won't stick to the bottom. You mix it around. Make sure it gets to all the corners, to the center and everything. You don't have to use your hands. That's why I prefer to use oil, because oil is already, slippery and everything. Instead of using butter, with butter you have to use your hands. Then you take your flour. You add your flour. Just enough flour, not too much, so that the cake also will not stick to the bottom of the pan. It prevents it just as much as the oil does. Last step. Make sure you mixed it enough. Then you pour your cake mix into the pan. Try to get as much of it out as you can. You flatten it out. Make sure it's on all the corners. Make sure it's evenly spread it out throughout the. Once it's evenly spread it out throughout the pan, The next step is the oven. Then you wait. Your cake should cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then, bon appetit. It's done. Don't forget to add your frosting.